Hey guys, and not so loud. Okay, so if you can hear that music, yes, that's my background music. Um, I'm gonna be showing you my game collection. So yeah, I'm gonna be starting with my first favorite to my non-favorites. My first favorite would be this, the Lego Movie. If you guys say it sucks, you suck, because this is the best game. Sorry about the glare because it's so dark. Which I can't open the light because the light's broken. So I have to
Shush, Rainer!
and it's raining. So this is the king disc, and it's for everybody above 10. Can you see?
Now AJ is
Above
10.
10. And I'm 9, but becoming 10, so it still counts. It's supposed to be everyone, but above 10. So next favorite would be Minecraft. If you guys don't like Minecraft, I don't know what the heck is wrong with you, but I love Minecraft a lot. Next favorite would be this game. I know you guys say it sucks, but it's the Star Wars Force Unleashed. And it's moderate violence, but I don't give a damn, bruh. And next is Ghost Recon. It's a bit boring, but whatever. I like violent games, so far I have 4 tiles. Dang, there is 3 left. So, oh wait, not this one. And then the 5th one would be this, Forza. It sounds like Mirza, Forza.
Stop insulting my friend's name.
Forza Mirza.
Stop insulting his name.
Why?
You can call him Rayan.
So it's Forza 2. It's the limited edition pack, and it's the what do you call those packs?
Special edition.
Yeah, like the Cal.
You mean it?
You did mean it.
What? I want to stop playing it for a bit.
Okay.
It's done anyway, so I'll play
Yeah, I
it.
don't care. Dirt Showdown is my.
How many games do you have?
This is my 6th one.
How many games do you have?
8
I have 11.
for this one.
I have 11 games.
I have more than you.
Why?
Because I still have a lot of games at the container. I don't know where is it. So.
And I got like 5 games.
The
on
Dirt
my-
Showdown is.
No, in total I got
32.
16. One on my PS. There's like 5 on my PS4. That's 16 in total.
5 on your PS4.
Yeah, I have 5 on my PS4. I deleted 2, so.
No, I mean the CDs. I'm not talking about the games. I'm talking about CDs.
Okay. Well, if you include GTA, that's 12.
Okay, that's my extraordinary because that's a bit boring. Next would be the Battlefield. I know you guys hate me when I say this is the 7th. I'm so sorry, but seriously, this is a great game, but nah, not as great for me.
You don't like Battlefield 4.
Huh?
Not a lot of people like Battlefield 4.
I don't care. So this is so far of the process. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy.
Did you show your Star Wars?
Yes,
Your Ghost Recon?
yes.
Okay, good.
Can't you hear what I'm saying?
No, I'm not paying attention.
Okay, good. Okay, guys, and this is the last game. Sleeping Dogs. You guys might hate me because I least like Sleeping Dogs. It's because it's a bit boring. And you might say, why is it boring? It's like so fun. It's for me. I don't know why. It's like not too violent enough. Yes. Look, there is a brutal takedown that It's very brutal, so don't really like it. Oh my gosh, this is so hard to carry for just 8 games. This is the collector's edition. The big one is the collector's edition. So
Special.
collectors.
The special edition. Collectors has a statue.
I
and
don't
a
care.
special thing.
Peace out, guys. So heavy. Ah!